everyone, my name is Shireen and I'm from Preschool, and today we're going to create some water lilies. So these are lilies that float on water and they're a type of flower. So what I have with me is a pencil, I have a paper, I have a plate, and I have some water in here. And I also have my crayons. You can use crayons if you like to, pencil crayons, whatever works for you. So first we're gonna actually do it like an art. So we have to create our flowers. So I'm just gonna go ahead on this piece of paper and start drawing some flowers. All right, so here are my flowers. So I've drawn one big circle here, and then I've got some petals. So on this one, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. On this one, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 petals. And on this one, I think I have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now I'm going to color them in. So you can use any color you like. Here are my lilies. So now what we're gonna do is you're gonna need scissors and we're gonna cut our lilies out. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our lily, fold along that line. So we're going to fold this down like that, fold it down, and we're going to push it into the middle. And we're going to do the same for all of these, something like this. All right, so I have our lilies here, and now I have my plates and I have my water. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna pour this water into this plate. We're gonna see if these lilies open up in the water. So what do you think is going to happen? Do you think that they're gonna open, or do you think that they're gonna just stay? All right, let's see. Wow, look at that. Our first lotus opened up. That's really cool. Let's try our second one. Will it open or will it just stay the way it is? Okay, let's see. That's so beautiful. All right, let's do our last one.
Do you know where paper comes from? It comes from trees. So trees and paper, they share the same similarities or the same thing. In order for trees to grow, they need water. Just like if you're planting a flower, the flower needs food, but it also needs water to grow and blossom, just like how our lilies have. So since paper comes from trees, there are tiny little fibers that you can't see that trees and paper share. So with water, water is made up of tiny molecules that can help the paper soak up all that water and open up their petals.
All right, so actually, I got super excited about this activity that I decided to make another one, except it's a surprise. So I'm just gonna grab these ones out because it's a little bit bigger than what we had. Our surprise lotus, and we're gonna see what happens. So let's see what happens with this one. I don't know if it's gonna work. Oh, maybe it will. Because this time I used felt. Maybe that probably wasn't the best idea. Because I used felt. So it's probably best we just kind of stuck with the crayons or the pencil crayons instead of the felt. But that is all part of science. It's all about experimenting and seeing what works and what doesn't work. but I'm glad we were able to try it out and see what happens. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this activity. I hope you guys are keeping well. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye!